We're at the National Corvette Museum, day 2. Right over there, they do testing for all the Corvettes. You can hear them running right now. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to go over there and check it out. But yeah, we're just gonna kind of hang out, see what we can do. Corvette Museum delivery. C8, C7. Gift shop over there. Men's bathroom. Look at that.
Bueno, hay una
In the sim. So they sell actual parts in this store, and what I'm guessing, based off, is that this is like the hierarchy. I don't know shit about Corvettes, but it seems like C8R is like the best one, maybe. It's like exclusive, and that C6 that we're gonna like drive is has the same badge. So I believe that it is like the shell of a C8R. So that's cool. I don't know if it's a flex or not, but if it is, then I'm flexing. Uy,
Sí, es el poder steering.
Sí. Uy.
Que me gusta, estoy haciendo el césped, estoy cortando el gras.
先を知らないのか。この緩い右の後、きつい左だ。減速しないと谷底へ真っ逆さまだぞ。言わんこっちゃねえ。スピードが乗りすぎてるぜ。立て直して減速するスペースはもうねえ。完成ドリフト。
I didn't realize at first, but these cars are actually customer cars. They're not just here for display. So this is a Stingray R C8. It has the CRA thingy in the front, like the Corvette skull. If someone actually owns this, David Roy owns this new 2023, and it gets dropped off tomorrow, which is pretty cool.
Part of the deal, they can get one, but they gotta let it sit.
So I guess all of these here are customer cars that they just happen to have on display as well. So congratulations, David. This is seriously going to affect the trout population. So this is the 3rd Corvette ever made. Triple single pot carbs. This thing is funny looking. This thing is so funny looking. They got a whole Monopoly board in there. Another race car. You got another race car. Then you got another race car. And then you got another race car. And then you got another race car. Followed by another race car. And then this race car right here. And then you got the homologation car for the other car, the yellow one, that's on BBS's, so that they could legally run at Le Mans. And then you have a video game race car. The car in the game. The homologation car is on BBS's, but this one isn't. This one's on some ZZs. It's a C5 made to look like a C6, and you can tell because of the way it is. And it had this dinghy in it. That's crazy. And you got another split window. Again, only made for 1 year. Worth a bunch of money just because of that. And a big clean, bro. She clean. 1961 Mako Shark. Supposedly, according to that little thing right there, it has Mako Shark Sense taxidermy, which is weird, but I mean it's beautiful. I think this is my favorite one so far. The headers actually come out of the front fenders right there, and then they continue to follow all the way down. Also, because sharks are my favorite animal. This thing's cool. I like it. It's like a Corvette, but like not. It just doesn't look like any of the other ones. And I'm pretty sure the headlights are right here. Yeah, this is my favorite one so far. Right-hand drive C8. So I guess they just started starting with the C8 Corvettes for other countries, which is pretty cool. I guess here at the museum in 2014, 539 February 12th, there was a sinkhole that opened, and it got hungry and swallowed some Corvettes. Corvettes.
You know, obviously you're standing right in front of that hole, and I just have to ask you,
That's the news line. I guess they tried to recover them as much as possible. Yeah, that one was rebuilt.
This whole thing got rebuilt. These don't have
Funny.
El diablo le mandaron un corvette. Gracias, Dios.
That's cool.
All the cars that were here: 2009 01 Blue Devil, 1993 40th anniversary, 62 convertible, 92 1 millionth, 84 pace car, 93 01 Spider, 09 1.5 millionth, and an 01 Mallet Hammers US6, which I believe is a bunch of money. So this right here is 1.5 millionth. I guess pause, read it. I just kind of skipped through it. Anyways, this is it now. Yeah. And they unrestored it. Because I don't think they could restore this. Yeah, it's just like total. The frame is probably like, just like... So this is the beginning to the outline of the cave I didn't know about. That was below here. And then here is where the sinkhole actually was. So that's how far all the cars fell. 30 feet. It's pretty deep. That's what's left of the sinkhole. This is a sky dome. It's like one, supposedly. I don't know where the sun's at. Kind of scary. The fog is coming. The fog is coming. The fog is coming. This is hard. Dude, this is so cool. It's like Speed Racer. For all of you out there who like Sin, C4, it has a V12. And then even worse, XP, blah, 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 blah. Mid-engine Corvette with a freaking two-rotor in it. All the rotary guys going crazy right now. They're like, Corvette encounter, two-rotor Corvette, two-rotor Corvette. It says it right here. Jim two-rotor, mid-engine, 266 cubic inches, 180 horsepower, two-speed automatic. Oh, that's weird. That's not cool. I think that makes more horsepower than an RX-7. So, get shit on. Callaway C12. Another Callaway C12. Le Mans cars with Brembos. Oh, this one doesn't have Brembos, that one does. And then another one. C16. Giant supercharger. I'm surprised they didn't have the Z6, the 01 that like Jeremy Clarkson drove that you can see through the engine bay. That makes like some dumb horsepower. Import. Day 2. We just came from the Corvette Museum. Yesterday, Logan revealed to me how to get the in for the drift car, how to get that special bracelet that lets me ride with whoever I want. And we're just gonna do drifting all day because I've already seen all the cars that are on showcase.